Kurari nduhiũ na gĩkeno mwena wa Nyeri mũciĩ-inĩ wa mũnini wa mũtongoria wa bũrũri Gachagua rĩrĩa mũini wĩ ngumo nene Samidoh aretirwo nĩgetha acanjamũre atongoria a gĩtarũ gĩkĩ kĩa Mount Kenya arĩa maragomithĩtio nĩ ũndũ wa ũthii wa na mbere thutha wa Samidoh kũnyita ngita yake na kũgatha waya wega. Atongoria thutha wa kũigua mũrũri ũcio marokĩra na igũrũ othe na gũthiĩ harĩa mbere nĩgetha makĩrie rwĩmbo matarĩ na guoya. Nginya Rigiji ndanatigwo na thutha, arĩa maronekaga kũrĩa rwĩmbo wega ta marũĩ mũno nĩ mũmbunge wa Thika harĩ Sing'ang'a wa Maragwa Honorable wa Maua Karen Nyamu ũrĩa ũrainaga ta mũtumia wa Samidoh, mũmbunge wa gũthukio Sabina Chege, Jane Kĩhara na Faith Gĩtaũ Women Rep wa Nyandarua. Mwago ũyũ gũkerĩkana ũrathire na mbere nginya Ikiria Nyoni, andũ makĩgangara ũũ wega maragomanĩte nĩgetha kũrĩmĩra ũrũmwe na ũthii wa na mbere kuma gĩcigo-inĩ gĩkĩ. Reke nyihie ndeto wone mwago.
From where I sit, my boss, President William Ruto, and I, the elections are over, and we want all Kenyans to be one team, to be one people for the development of this country. This region, during the last election, we were divided to a certain extent. 87% voted for President William Ruto and I, 13% exercised their democratic right as it should be and voted the other way. But now elections are over. I have on record inviting the 13% to come we work together for our region, for our country. Because there is no enmity, there is no quarrel, there is nothing. The election is just like a sport, and you shouldn't take it beyond there. We have told our ambassadors and high commissioners, the ones we have appointed and the ones we have inherited and the others we are going to appoint. We are changing our approach to diplomacy. What we want is commercial diplomacy. 70% of the work of our ambassadors and high commissioners will be to look for new markets and expand existing ones. Hiyo ndio kazi itakuwa ya mabalozi. As a responsible government, we must honor our international obligations, irrespective of which administration incurred those debts, because they were incurred on behalf of the Republic of Kenya. So I want to give you an assurance. Much as we are trying to put things together, we have an obligation internationally to honor our debts. That is why we are trying to tighten the revenue collection. And I want to give you an assurance. Much as you are paying taxes, those taxes must be used for the purpose for which they have been collected. There before, there has been a lot of leakage, corruption, mismanagement, misappropriation of public funds. President William Ruto and his government has committed that all taxes collected must be used for the purpose for which they were collected.